Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This Performance Pro 3 gear cordless hammer drill battery charger, it is not working properly, it is not charging battery. Let's troubleshoot. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because we are dealing with live voltage. Always take care for the safety. When I will connect to power, this light is flashing and it is showing green light. That means the battery is charging. Battery is removed, but it is showing that battery is charging. When battery is removed, this light must be stable, power on, and other lights must be off. We can see the same condition. Either the battery is removed or battery is installed. This light is flashing and green light, that is steady on. Let's open it. I will open these 6 screws. In this type of charger, all the charging process is controlled by this LM324 IC. Here is LM358. Diode mode. Green LED connected here, then here. All the transistors and diodes are good. I will replace this IC LM324. In this type of battery management system, LM324 is the master control of the circuit. I will touch solder for better thermal conductivity. LM324, LM224, LM124. These ICs can be used on this board. Yes, that's great. Yellow light is on. This is its power on condition. When battery is not connected, other lights must be off. Yes, now it is in charging mode. That is fast charging. Before this, the green light was on, but now the red light is on. That means the battery is now in fast charging. When it will charge at certain level, then it will shift in maintenance charge, that is trickle charge, that is pulse charging. So this IC is bad. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.